Okay, something you guys might not know about me is I absolutely love birds. But honestly, I think corvids are overrated. But before you start throwing tomatoes at me and writing 50 paragraphs about how corvids are the best birds, let me explain. Well, first of all, most corvids are not even colorful. It's boring. And you also might be thinking, well, corvids can mimic other birds. Well, guess what? So can many other birds that are not corvids, like the lyrebird. They are one of my favorites. They are literally the best mimic bird in the world. They can mimic chainsaws and camera noises and basically everything. Also, they are very beautiful. Like, have you seen the tail? It's absolutely gorgeous. And that's why I think corvids are way too overrated. Bye, rosebuds.